Tried another nose today in watercolor. First, I wanted to tweak the nose yesterday because, I don't know, it just seemed a little weird in places. Actually, I was trying to do that in one color, that nose, but so today I was adding some reds because, red's the nose color. So then I thought, let me do a fresh nose here. So this time I was going to use more bold colors. You see I put blue, purple, red, yellow, orange, all those colors on there first. I have seen examples where when you use some blues and purples in flesh tone, then it, even though it's contrary to a literal flesh tone color, it's they add up to this beautiful flesh tone. So I thought I'd try to go for something like that today. So I got all these different colors happening, and it was looking okay. I got a shape of a nose, that's for sure, and keep putting on colors, blotting it up, putting on other colors, trying to stay very cautious and not have anything too well defined as far as the individual colors. So I let this dry like 3-4 times during the course of this painting, and so it's coming out pretty good, half decent, I guess. Looks like a nose. Looks a little bit better in real life than this video, but anyway, lots of fun painting the nose.